Hello, welcome to Master Fraction Lesson 16. My name is Walter, and today we are going to cover multiplying a mixed number by a mixed number. We can multiply fraction while it is in the form of proper fraction or improper fraction. If a fraction is in the form of mixed number, we must change first into improper fraction so as to multiply them. Let's go straight to question number 1. We have 3, 2 over 3 multiplied by 4, 1 over 5. This is mixed numbers. So first thing, we are going to change them into improper fraction. After that, we are going to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Let's change 3, 2 over 3 into improper fraction. This is done by taking the denominator, multiplying by the whole number plus numerator. It's the same as 3 times 3 is going to be 9 plus 2, we get 11 over 3. Also, let's change 4, 1 over 5 into improper fraction. 4, 1 over 5, this is equal to denominator multiplying by whole number plus numerator. That is going to be 5 multiplied by 4, 20, plus 1, we get 21 over 5. 3, 2 over 3, the same as 11 over 3, then multiply by 4, 1 over 5, the same as 21 over 5. Let's see if we can simplify. 3 and 21 can be simplified by 3, 1 by 3, we get 7. Now we are going to multiply numerator, multiply by numerator, and denominator, multiply by denominator. This is equal to 11 multiplied by 7 over 1 multiplied by 5. 11 multiplied by 7 will get 77. 1 multiplied by 5 we get 5. Now we get improper fraction. We need to change it into mixed number. Let's change 77 over 5 into mixed number. We'll take 77, divide by 5. 7 divided by 5 goes by 1. 1 times 5, we get 5. Take away, we remain with 2. We drop 7. 27 divided by 5, it goes by 5. 5 times 5, we get 25. Take away, we remain with 2. So our mixed number is 15, remain 2 over 5. This is equal to 15, 2 over 5. Let's do question number 2. We have 1, 5 over 6 multiplied by 4.5. First, we are going to change these mixed numbers into improper fraction. 1, 5 over 6. This is the same as 6 multiplied by 1, we get 6 plus 5, we'll get 11 over 6. And 4, 1 over 2, this is the same as 2 multiplied by 4, we get 8, plus 1, get 9. So it's the same as 9 over 2. We have 11 over 6 multiplied by 9 over 2. We are going to check if we can simplify. 6 and 9 can be simplified by 3. By 3 is 2. By 3, we get 3. Then we are going to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. This will be equal to 3 multiplied by 11, we are going to get 33, over 2 multiplied by 2, we get 4. 33 over 4 is improper fraction, so we'll change it into mixed number. 33 divided by 4. 33 divided by 4 goes by 8. We get 32. Take away, going to remain with 1. So this is the same as 8 whole number, remain 1 over 4. 33 over 4 into mixed number, it is the same as 8, 1 over 4. Let's go to question number 3. We have 2, 3 over 4 multiplied by 3.5. First, we are going to change these mixed numbers into improper fraction. Already we understand how to change a mixed number into improper fraction, so I'll do it direct here. 4 multiplied by 2, 8, plus 3, we're going to get 11. This is equal to 11 over 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6, plus 1, we're going to get 7. It is 7 over 2. Let's check if we can simplify this number. There is no place we can simplify, so directly we are going to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. This is equal to 11 multiplied by 7, 4 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 77 over 8. 77 over 8 is improper fraction. We need to change it into mixed number. That is going to be 9, remain 5 over 8. Let's finish with the last question, question number 4. We have 4 5 over 8 multiplied by 2.5. Let's change these mixed numbers into improper fraction. 8 times 4, 32, 32 plus 5, we get 37 over 8, multiplied by 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, get 5 over 2. Let's check if we can simplify here. There is no number can be simplified here, so we are going to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. This will be equal to 37 multiplied by 5, we are going to get 185. 8 multiplied by 2, we get 16. This is improper fraction. I'll change it into mixed number. This will give us 9 over 16. Hope you understand how to multiply mixed number by a mixed number. First, we are going to change the mixed numbers into improper fraction. Then we are going to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. And last, we simplify our answer. For more video about fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.